Hello everyone, so we are at Terminal 3 and today we have another successful story of Sakshi. So we will speak with her, how was the journey and for what she is going to Germany, which Ausbildung she is going to Germany. Okay, hello Sakshi, कैसा
Hello,
लग रहा है
sir.
पहले आपका वीजा आने के बाद?
Actually, I'm feeling so great, sir. I waited for this visa for a long period of time because I prepared for my German test and then I prepared for interviews. So it was a long journey, I know, and a lot of students lose their patience while doing this process. But I kept my patience and I tried hard, and now I finally got my visa.
And you have very like a full journey with
Yeah.
another institutes and
Yeah.
consultant before
First of
coming to
all-
Mandrit overseas.
First of all, the places from where I got my German classes, they were not that much good, and then I got an agent who was not working properly. His work was, faulty and all. So I had a very awful experience with him. So one of my friends suggested me Mandrit Overseas, and then I contacted this team and Manish sir, and then my visa is finally here.
And so like in how many months you are all processed that? So what was the what we given you the timeline, were we able to deliver that promise on time?
Your deadline was around September, August. Like you said that you might go in July or August, but the last is October. In October, you will finally go, so rest assured. I was also confused, and at a lot of times, I also doubted whether I will get my visa or not. But finally, I got it because of you and your team. You supported me a lot. You assured me. You guided me, and you helped me a lot throughout my
Okay,
entire
how
journey.
was your interview preparation? We have prepared you for the interview as well.
I have taken few of classes and those classes were good. I will also suggest a lot of students I have also worked as IELTS PT trainer.
Yeah,
so
you were as well trainer, IELTS PT, and as well for German. You were teaching German.
Yeah, I
language
also
as well.
taught German online because I learned it self. And,
That's good. Like continue this thing from Germany as
I'm
well.
also
right?
planning to do the continue this kind of thing so that I can help and guide a lot of students here in
Yes,
India,
yes.
those who
Teaching
lack
it.
the guidance. Because in the places where I come from, like here people lack a lot of guidance. They don't even know where to go, how to go, and what should they do. So that's why I want to continue this so that I can guide a lot of people and at least help them, those
Yes.
who are lacking.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, because they are looking for the right people for going to Germany and going to abroad.
Because a lot of I have also consulted a lot of agents and all, and they said me you can't go for Ausbildung. Like most of didn't even know like there is any kind of program named as Ausbildung,
Yeah.
and they doubted me. They also asked me like, no, in Germany they do not provide such kind of courses. You can either go to the public universities or private universities. Then they saw my profile and said you are not eligible for public university.
And how about like
And
you
I
are
asked why, I have got 7.5 band in my IELTS, and also I prepared for my German. I gave the Goethe exam, so how am I not eligible? They said, no ma'am, you can go for the private university and then you can change. But I did not want to do such kind of things. I wanted to go like straight into a particular field, have a great career, a stable career. So that's why I chose Mandrit Overseas.
And how about your Ausbildung in dental assistant? So
Like-
why you were so interested for this?
First of all, I wanted an Ausbildung or a career that is quite peaceful for me, that will give me a peace after a long period of time. Because in our, adulthood, we can do a lot of struggle, we can do hard work, but whenever we get in our 40s or 50s, we can't do such kind of struggle. We can't do a lot of hard work. We can't do overtime. So that's why I chose this. Because in dental, a person will have to work from 9 to 5 only, because there is no
Okay.
dental clinic
That's
which opens at night
you
as
did
well.
a smart choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.